Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are jazzing up some inexpensive white porcelain dishes using Marabu alcohol inks. You are going to love these techniques. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's jazz up some white porcelain dishes. Definitely wear gloves for this project because alcohol inks will stain your fingers. For this technique, find colors that work well together or your colors can get a little muddy. Porcelain slowly evolved in China anywhere from 2000 to 1200 years ago, and then slowly spread to other East Asian countries. The word porcelain is derived from the Italian word porcellana, which means cowrie shell. Sealed with several coats of a clear gloss varnish and then a dishwasher-safe decoupage medium. I'm going to leave a link to Marabu and everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.